Hello, I'm Amanda. I'm reviewing the FabFitFun Spring Box I just got in. This is the first time I've done it, and I added on the mystery bundle, and I got this exfoliating. And it also comes with a lip palette. And this treatment mask. So all of these three equal $150. So that was the extra mystery bundle that I added on because it's the first time I've ever done it. So I'm gonna open up the box. So the first item I got was these measuring cups, and those are worth $15. They're Giotti's measuring cups from like her line, and that one I just had them pick whatever. So like the first three items you can like pick. It comes with this little book here. So you can pick what you want to come in your box for the first three items. But I let them just choose for me for that one. So that's what I got for that. The other item I got was sunglasses. That's the case that comes in. And then here are the sunglasses. There we go. So these are worth $55, and these are like the cat eye sunglasses. They're Australian brand. They look like they're really good quality, so. And I picked these ones. The next item that I picked was the backpack, and it's by Deluxe, and it is $75. So this is the backpack, and it has like a little closure in the front. Looks like good space for a bunch of different stuff, and then on the side you can snap it and make it smaller, or undo and make it bigger. And then it has a pocket inside too. But it looks like a really nice bag. It has like leather on it, so yeah. So that's the one that I picked. The next one that I got, you could have gotten a necklace, translucent powder, or a water bottle. And I got this, water bottle in mine. And this one was picked for me. The next one that I got was the dry brush. There you go. So this one was also picked for me. And the other options were a jump rope or a face cleanser. And those two items, if you're a member, then you can pick them. But since I'm not a member and it was my first box, I wasn't able to pick them, so they picked those for me. And then the last three items are items that everybody gets. So I got a champagne charcoal scrub. There's that. And it's a huge container. And that one is $24. The next one is a leave-in conditioner. And that one is $26. And then the last one is the no baggage. And that one is $42 by Dr. Brandt. So that's everything I got. It was the backpack, the sunglasses, the sip water bottle, the no baggage, the leave-in conditioner, and champagne scrub, and then the Giotti measuring cups. So, and all that was $50. And then I got like the extra add-on, which was $150 since it was my first time. So, yeah. So thanks for watching. I'll be unboxing probably other items at some point. But let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and thanks.